barter system. Okay, so we have Farhan and Abdul Rahman here. Okay. What is the meaning of bench? Expanded or cash I get a trade in something. I mean, everything is a bench. Bench. Bench are the car, bank. Okay.